students. This is Shilpa ma'am. Today we are going to start with a new topic of chapter Precipitation. So let's begin our class. Now first topic we will be seeing rain gauge. Rain gauge has been designed as meteorological tools to measure the amount of typical precipitation, that is rain and snow, reaching the ground unobstructed by surface effects. So you can see the picture of rain gauge. It is an instrument used to measure the rain, is known as rain gauge. It has a funnel, a bottle, and a measuring jar. Rain gauge must be kept in open air on a platform of 30 centimeters in height. The amount of rain is measured every 3 hours in the region of heavy rainfall. Children, do you know that 1 millimeter rainfall means if we do not let the rainwater to percolate, run off or even evaporate, and if this water is spread on the flat surface uniformly, the height of this rainwater is 1 millimeter. If the water of 1 millimeter rainfall on 1 square kilometer area is collected. Rain gauge is also used to measure snowfall. 120 millimeters of snow is considered equal to 10 millimeters of rainfall. Now children will see what is fog, dew and frost. When the condensation or solidification of water vapor in the atmosphere takes place near the surface, then one can see condensation in the form of fog, dew or frost. So children, first we will see what is fog. You can see the picture. Fog is a visible aerosol consisting of tiny particles. Here the meaning of aerosol means spray-like. It is like spray. Water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air at or near the Earth's surface. Fog can be considered a type of low-lying cloud usually resembling stratus. Here the meaning of stratus is cloud forming and is heavily influenced by nearby bodies of water, topography and wind conditions. Here the meaning of topography is the arrangement of the natural and artificial physical features of an area. The second one is dew. Dew is the moisture that forms as a result of condensation. Condensation is a process a material undergoes at its change from a gas to a liquid form. Okay children, it's change from gas to a liquid form. Dew is a result of water changing from a vapor to a liquid. Dew forms as temperatures drop and objects cool down. Children, in this picture you can see in the morning, if you will go out in the winter, you can see the dew drop, the fog. And the third one is frost. Frost is a thin layer of ice on a solid surface. Children, you all know ice. It is the thin layer of the ice on a solid surface. Solid surface means it is maybe on the ground or any solid surface, which forms from water vapor in and above freezing atmosphere, coming in contact with a solid surface whose temperature is below freezing and resulting in a phase change from water vapor to ice as the water vapor reaches the freezing point. In this picture you can see the thin layer of ice on the grass. Now we'll see what are the effects of precipitation. Precipitation is the important source of potable water across the globe. Here the meaning of potable means drinking water. Excess precipitation may lead to flood, causing loss of life and property. Less precipitation leads to drought. Here drought means a prolonged period of abnormally low rainfall or leading to a shortage of water. It means that low rainfall or shortage of water. Excess or less precipitation may lead to the shortage of food supplies, and food may have to be imported. Farmers' conditions become grave and country's economic gets affected. Indian economy is an agrarian economy and depends heavily on precipitation. The precipitation in India is quite erratic. Here the meaning of erratic is not even or regular in pattern or movement, and the meaning of agrarian means relating to cultivated land or cultivation of land. Very dense fog reduces the visibility and affect the transportation like roads, railways and waterways and airways. Children, very dense fog reduce, we can't see what the other sides, the transportation we can't see, and it affects, it reduces the visibility. Frost is harmful to the crop, and if spread on the road causes accidents. We can't see, if frost is there we can't see who is next to us. Fog and dew damages some crops by spreading diseases, while it may be beneficial to some other crops. Now we'll see what is acid rain. It is a broad term that includes any form of precipitation with acidic components such as sulfuric or nitric acid that fall to the ground from the atmosphere in wet or dry forms. This can include rain, snow, fog, hail, or even dust that is acidic. So children, you can see acid rain is very harmful to living organism as well as non-living objects. Here various gases from polluted air get mixed in water vapor. Now we'll see what are the effects of acid rain. Acid rain causes water pollution. Because of acid rain, what affects? Water get affects, it become polluted. Aquatic life like fish and other living organism in the water die due to acid rain. You can see in the diagram. Acidic rain causes leaves to dry and thus trees die Birds and animals also suffer due to acid rain. Microorganisms in soil get affected due to acid rain, and such soil became acidic and infertile. Children, if what is the effect of rainwater? It causes water pollution. Then in aquatic life is also get disturbed. Acidic rain, because of its leaves to dry and thus trees die, and microorganism in soil gets affected due to acid rain. Non-living objects like buildings, structures, bridges and even statues get defaced due to acid rain. So children, we have to keep our environment clean so that the air should not become polluted, and because of this we should not get acid rain. Okay, by this we have finished our today's topic. I hope that you have understood. Now we'll go to our assignments. Question number 1. Distinguish between dew and frost. I have explained to you what is dew and what is frost. You have to write at least 4 points. Question number 2 is answer in brief. In that you have to write what is acid rain. I hope that you have understood. Please write this in your geography notebook. Thank you.